Hey guys, I'm Cyborg Sheep, and welcome to the Weekend Post. People normally do a day in a life vlog, right? Well, I'm gonna do an entire week of that. Certain events have led to the fact that this week is gonna be rather crazy. So, let's get into it. As always, gonna be shot on my V20 in HD at 60 FPS. Crank up those resolutions then, and let's get on with it. Day 1. The first major thing I did that week was I got started shooting the chop saw video, which, as you can tell, if you watch my latest upload, turned out pretty good. To do this, I used my trusty Canon camcorder on a tripod, which to this day still works very well. Following the recording session, it was getting close to dinner, so I went ahead and put on some spaghetti and seafood. Day 2. That morning, I got up, got everything together, and headed off for work. Mind you, I did drive that morning, but it actually worked out pretty good. When I got back, I made some fried turkey and vegetables for dinner. And after I finished, I went outside to check the weather. Now, I had hoped that I would have been able to go on a bike ride that evening. However, it was wet from when it had been raining that day, and I didn't have a whole ton of time either, so I decided not to. Instead, I had some Timbits and worked on a bird puzzle we had going. Day 3 was pretty interesting. That morning, I had drove my car to the train station and took the train the rest of the way to work. Now that did mean I had to get back to the same station afterwards, but on that day, I was okay with this. To do this, I transferred from the Line 2 subway at Dundas West to the Union Pearson Express at Bloor Station. I rode the Up Express to Union Station, and then transferred to the Lakeshore West Line and rode it to Long Branch Station.
Yeah, that's because it has its wheelchair.
When I got back, I helped make the dinner, and then, since it had rained that day, I went outside to water the plants. Day 4 was awful. By this point, I had grown accustomed to driving to the train station and then taking the train the rest of the way to work. Now, remember the situation I devised about having to get back to the same station at the end of the day? Well, a few key bad decisions, plus that situation, led to this being the most painful commute ever. Number 1, the train ride to Union. Oh my. The Line 1 subway was so flipping slow. Number 2, I wasn't able to have lunch, which... crap. And number 3, I was late getting home to get dinner started. Ah! Oh, well, it's okay, guys. I threw on the grill, had some turkey burgers, and had some of this amazing lemon drink. Oh, yeah, baby. Day 5 was where the fun started. That morning, I got up and did a bike ride out to Port Credit. So, sit back and enjoy the footage. way home from Port Credit, I stopped by the bike shop to pick up a bicycle tire inner tube. That afternoon, I decided to go ahead and make some waffle cones, which I had been wanting to do for quite a while. The waffle cones turned out amazingly. I need to make some refinements to the process, but the result is certainly delicious. Day 6 was pretty uneventful. In the morning, I went to work, and in the afternoon, I went and fixed the bike tire I got the tube for. Day 7 started as any good day should. That morning, I went and got my ears lowered, and then afterwards, I headed to the skate park with my RC car. For dinner that evening, I went ahead and made some pork schnitzel. Day 8 was mostly just a lazy Sunday. That morning, I did go out though and get some Cobb's bread.
Bread has now been achieved.
Now, looking back at the week, it wasn't quite as crazy as I was expecting it to be, even though on paper, there was twice the amount of workload that I would normally have. But what this does showcase to me is that a week like this can turn out successfully when and if it needs to be done. So just getting working on editing this video here. The chop saw video that I recorded earlier this in the week. Constant battle, but I got the timeline mostly constructed as I like, and now it's just a simple matter of getting it all spliced together and pieces chopped out that I don't need, and to get it uploaded. Well, for better or for worse, there you have it. A whole week in the life of Cyborg Sheep. It's 10:22 on a Sunday night. I'm going to bed. Tomorrow, things go back to normal.